Okay, first grade, we're going to get started in our workbook, page 86 and 87. This week, our spelling sound is oi. If you look at the top left corner, there's a yellow triangle with two spelling patterns for oi. OI says oi, and OY says oi. They both say oi. So all we're going to do to get started, to get us a little familiar with these words, is we're going to read the sentence and then put that number for that sentence with the picture that it matches. So everybody go to number 1. We're going to read it together. A bee may annoy you when you work outside. So let's see if we see any OI or OY words. Well, I see it in annoy. So I'm going to underline the OY in annoy. And then I'm going to look over at the picture to see which part of this picture matches number 1. A bee may annoy you when you work outside. Good. We can see Icky over here, and he's looking up at a bee. So we're going to write a number 1 because number 1 sentence goes with that picture. Okay. Point to number 2. Let's read it. She is digging in the soil. First, find the word that has oi in it. Soil with an OI, underline that. And then when I look at the picture, who is digging in the soil? Good, Tak. So we're going to put a number 2 next to her. We'll do one more together. Point to number 3. See her point at her plants. First, find the oi word. Good. Underline OI in point. And then find the picture that it matches. Awesome. That would be edabeda. Okay. You're going to do the rest on your own. Underline the oi word that you see, whether it's OI or OY, and then match the number to the person or picture that it's talking about on the other side. Pause the video to do that now. All right, this sound spellings card says oi for OI. I want you to notice OI is in the middle of the word. There's a consonant before it, and there's consonants and letters after it. OI goes in the middle of a word. OY also says oi, like the word boy, but where is OY in the word? Good, it's at the end of the word. OY goes at the end of the word. So even though they make the same sounds, OI goes in the middle and OY goes at the end. Okay, go ahead and turn to page 88. So following that pattern, we're going to look at these words and decide if we're going to use OI or OY. Number 1, this is something that you put in a pan to cook. It's right here. Oil, very good. Now, since it's in the beginning or the middle, we're going to write OI and then trace the L. You also want us to underline that OI. Number 2, that is Lily's toy. Very good. I'm going to trace the T. And when I look, I know I'm going to have to use OY because this is at the end of the word. Very good. You can pause the video and do the rest. Just make sure OI goes in the beginning or the middle. OY goes at the end. All right, let's go over our words. All of these words end with OIL. Number 1, oil. Number 2, boil. Number 3, soil. So since they all end with O-I-L, these three words rhyme. Very good. Number 4, coin, join. Since all of these two words end with O-I-N, they rhyme. Keep noticing the O-I is in either the beginning or the middle of the word. It's never at the end. Let's look at oint words. Point, joint. These words rhyme. They have the same ending sound. Now our last three words have the different oi sound. These ones have O-Y. And already you can see the O-Y is at the end. Very good. Like the Y is towards the end of the alphabet. That can help you remember that O-Y goes at the end. Number 8 is joy, toy, boy. Okay, I want you to pause the video and read those words one more time by yourself. Okay, and then your next page in your workbook is page 89. Still practicing those O-I and O-Y words. Like we just said, use O-I in the middle, use O-Y at the end. Sorry, guys. So you can see right here, join has O-I in the middle. Joy has O-Y at the end. Number 1. The water that Cass is making is coming to a oil. Now, what are we going to pick? O-I or O-Y? O-I, very good, because it's in the middle. So I'm going to trace the B, add the O and the I, and trace the L, okay? I'm going to let you do the rest of this page on your own. Just be careful. If it's at the end of the word, it's going to end with O-Y. If you forget that rule, look up to the top to remember. O-I goes in the beginning or the middle. O-Y goes at the end. Pause the video to do that page now. And your last page, okay, this gardening song, just like last time, I will assign it on the Super Kids parent portal for you to listen to. These are our memory words. I say it, then you say it. Sorry, guys, I can't erase that. Kind, buy. This kind of buy is something that you get from a store and pay money with. Find, write, wash, light. Okay. Then going down the side, you're going to trace those words and say them. And again, this song, the gardening song, will be on the parent portal for Super Kids if you would like to listen to it. Okay. Or you can just read the speech bubble. You don't need to listen to the song if you'd rather do that. Okay, nice job. The next thing that you're going to do is your practice page 64. Still practicing those O-Y and O-I words. You're going to read the sentence, cut and paste it to the picture that it matches. We've talked about this before. If you don't have scissors and glue, you can use tape, but if you don't have that, you can just rewrite these words under the picture it matches. Let's do the first one together. Come on, Golly, you can blank us. Boy, join, soil, or toy. Join. You can join us. Awesome. So I'll write that down. And that sentence matches the picture of the Super Kids. And you see them waving their hand for Golly to join them. You can pause the video and do that page. And practice page 65 is just your memory words. You can cut them out and practice them. You should have a couple of different memory words now if you want to make it a little bit harder. Okay, one more final time. I say the word, then you say it. Kind, buy. Remember, this is the kind of buy when you use money to get something from a store. Find, write, wash, light. A lot of long I sounds, but in different kinds of spellings. Kind and fine just have an I that's long. Right and light, the IGH says I. Okay. You can pause the video to do that now. Okay, and in your story today, you are reading The Garden Club First. So this is a Super Kids short. This is also your backpack page where you're going to highlight the O, I, and O, Y words. Remember, the O, I is in the middle. O, Y is at the end. Okay? We will be doing a Zoom meeting at 1:30 to read this story and the next story, because this is only one page, The Garden Club. And the next story that you're reading is For the Birds. So we will read both together on Zoom at 1:30 if you can meet us. If you can't meet us, you can read it all on your own. That's fine. Okay? The last thing that you're doing as you're writing today, you're starting poems today. Okay, so there will be a lesson for your writing, and I will also assign the resource pages like I did last week and put them so that they're available on Dojo. Okay, great job, everybody. I hope to see you on Zoom at 1:30.